take a look at problem 3. So we should be able to search for keywords in the title that have each of them matching keywords in that song title and not just in that order specifically. That's the point of this problem. So let's take a look. Let's restart our server here. Start afresh. Let's go to this URL and let's open up a new browser. So now we can log in with our credentials. I created my credentials with the SQL commands. So this is now the search bar with the keywords, and now we can see that we have these two added. We have my one and only love, and my secret love, and as you can see, they're not in the my love specific order, one after the other. They're just keywords that are contained in the title. So let's take a look at our code of how we did this. So if we go down, so what I did basically is I created a array that split the title into words, and I created an empty string variable, and I looped through these this array that has the titles, and I appended it to this empty string variable, and I added a % at the end. And so this is taken and included into the SQL command, where we are searching for the song based on the URL. And I actually removed the % from the end so that we don't have a double percentage, because it already adds it at the end, but we still have it at the start because it doesn't add it at the start. So this is how I went about it. I created a variable from the words array, which split the title into words with spaces, and I added the % into this variable, and then that's what I included into my call in the SQL, and we can see that it works. Let's move on to problem 4. Take a look. So what do we have here? So we have the users. We have the users part. We added roles. We have a admin role and a guest role. So let's try visiting that page now. So let's create a new page. So localhost / users. Oh, we can see that I think I already have another one open. Yeah, it's this one. So let's try that again. Okay. So we can see that this one with the admin role has privileges to look at all the users. So if we type in the password, we can see that we can see all the users with the admin role right here. And if we log into any one of these other ones, for example, ld_nel, so let's try that now. So let's try ld_nel secret. We get this a nice error message where it's only given to people with the admin role, not the guest role. So let's take a look at our code of where we did this. So let's go all the way up. So we commented out where it creates the new table, and in our code, it's right here. So we retrieve. So first of all, I added the role, so we retrieve everything, and we appended the request user role to the current role of the logged in user. And for the error message, we have it checks if it's admin, and or else it sends a response error message. Thanks. Have a good one.